Hello, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about MCollective and where I'm heading with it. Generally, when I introduce people to MCollective first, they will say something like, well, why don't you just use Func or Cap or Fabric or any of those kinds of tools? And because it always seems like a lot of infrastructure to deploy just to restart services in parallel. And that's a fair point. I mean, for what I've shown up until now, it doesn't bring a whole lot more to the table than those tools. Discovery is nice, but that's about it. The thing about MCollective though is it's extremely fast. My goal is so that if you run a command in one machine and it takes 2 seconds, it should take 2 seconds on many machines. You'll have a little bit of latency, you'll have a little bit of overhead, but it should be completely negligible. I mean, you should never notice that you're waiting for the middleware or you're waiting for the framework. This allows you to think out of the box a little bit. It allows you to interact with your environment in a much more deep, immersive way than what you wouldn't really have done before. So I'm going to show you something I've done for my mail servers. I run a lot of Exim servers, and this here will show you 6 machines, and that's fetched the mail queue on 6 machines and just show them to you. I can do a lot of stuff with that command. I can retry messages, add recipients, change senders, mark them delivered, freeze, unfreeze, delete, so forth and so on. There's a lot of commands there, and it's really quick. It's really interactive. To show you the interactivity, though, this is a tool that I've had in several guises in the past. This is the most recent incarnation that speaks to MCollective. First, it does a discovery and it finds my 4 mail servers. Now I'm just MD5ing the host names to anonymize it a little bit, and it gives me various options to interact with my machines. I can go mail queue. That is a mail queue for 4 servers, 2 in the States, 1 in UK, 1 in Germany. It's a combined all over mail queue. I can find out what my mail server processes are busy doing. These are the Exim daemons and what servers they're communicating with and so forth. I can do a test how they would route a specific email address. And very easy, very quick. You don't even know you're talking to the network, and it allows you to very nicely diagnose things. I can, for instance, let's freeze a message. That's my mail queue. I can choose a message. I'm going to choose this eData site mail, and the one server that had it has now frozen it. If I go back to the mail queue, you can see it's where is it? It is the second one, and it's frozen. There it is. I can unfreeze it again. eData site. It's unfrozen it. And yep, you can see it's unfrozen. There's a lot of things I can do. I can delete all frozen messages. There they are. They're gone. And you can see the mail queue has been trimmed. It's very quick. It's very interactive. I can take back to my previous example. I can deliver all mail matching devcode.net, and they'll go and deliver them. Now, it's so quick. I have a very simple API, and I have my authorization and security model. That means I can have a web page, customer logs into his control panel, he sees the size of his mail queue, he clicks a button, and the mail servers all retry the mail. You couldn't do this with an SSH-based system because you don't want your mail server, your web server, to SSH into your mail servers. Dumb idea. With MCollective, with the security model, and with ActiveMQ security model, that is a safe thing that you can do. You can very simply, very quickly, very conveniently provide self-help services for your customers, for your NOC, or for yourself. I use this tool all the time. This is how I manage my mail servers. And it really lets you think about your servers as one. It lets you bring them closer to you, so they act like your desktop, and it makes it much better to just interact with them and use them. And it's this style of tool that I want to enable with MCollective, not just your service restarters and so forth. Okay, thank you very much. Our time is up.